then.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, I'll try to make it short. So my name is Danny Turing Kim, and also I just graduated my master from UCL Computer Science. So I'm like continuing my research at UCL Web Intelligence Group before I applied to PhD. So that's my current stage. So my research is mainly about like NLP and IR area, and also these days I'm researching regarding the personal knowledge graph to incorporate it within my research. So my research, let me introduce my research. So like the main area or the aim of the research is the following the real-time multimodal knowledge intensive and interactive conversational system. So since 2021 summer, I've in the Alexa Prize textbook challenge in the UCL team. So we've been constructing the whole conversational system that is deployed on the Alexa system. So we've made a lot of NLP and NLP modules and response generators, and also ranking modules, and also the state machine system. And in the other research, we also it was kind of a spin-off research from the Alexa Prize textbook challenge. So this is a user simulator. So it's a simulator that can simulate the user's behavior and the user's utterance and also the satisfaction. So what it tracks is that it tracks the user's satisfaction score and action, and also it also generates the utterance. So the current research of mine is trying to incorporate this user simulator into the conversational system so that we're trying to give the thinking ability to the agent. So agent can think what user might think if I say something, and then optimize the generation based on the user satisfaction. So what is related, what this is related about the knowledge graph. So what I'm trying to do is use the personal knowledge graph within the user simulation system. So what I was trying to do was sort of trying to simulate the user, but it was just a T5 language model. So it just takes in a lot of user utterance data and outputs the user's utterance. So what we can, how we can better simulate the users. So I'm trying to use the user knowledge graphs. So this picture was first introduced by in the ICTIR 2019 paper by Christian Balog. So users, the personal knowledge graph is defined as follows. So knowledge graph that includes entities of personal interest in a spiderweb structure with user in the center of the knowledge graph. And also the key point is that this knowledge graph can be integrated with the external knowledge graph. Yeah, and that's the personal knowledge graph. And before he introduced this knowledge, the concept of the PKG, there was also a few attempts that is similar to the PKG. So it's this one is the personal knowledge management system, querying in the RDF, and also this is the personalized health knowledge graph, which can be kind of related to the Erica's presentation. So the remaining research is that the first, how do we deal with the short-lived nature of the personal knowledge graph? So for example, if I make a dinner and then request for a few ingredients, do we have to remember that or not? So that's the first research question. And also the automatic construction of the maintenance of the PKG. Third, integration of the external KGs. So when we integrate to the external KG, it should be maybe like if the external knowledge graph is updated, then it have to give a notification to the personal knowledge graph that it has been updated, so forth. So the application of the PKG in the conversational system should be the PKG in the user simulation, and also the PKG for the conversational search and question answering. So for the collaboration, please contact me via my email or website or Twitter. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Any questions for Danny? We can have one quick question. Otherwise, yeah. We have one there.
Beth Holmes from Amazon Alexa. So did you try at all using the Alexa Entities API, or did you not bother with that?
Using the Alexa API?
The Alexa Entities API.
Oh, Actually, we haven't tried using the Alexa Entities API, but because we were supported by the AWS system, we used the AWS Neptune to incorporate the. So our task was to support the DIY and the cooking task to the users. So it was a task bot. So we were trying to scrape all the WikiHow and the whole food webpage, and then construct a knowledge graph within the Neptune system and make a query either using the RDF querying or the Gremlin. So we kind of experiment between RDF and Gremlin, and we chose to use the RDF eventually.
Thanks.
So let's move that. Well, let's thank Danny again, and let's move to the next speaker. Thank you very much.